students, how are you today? Hope you all are fine. Children, in this video, I will tell you about the uses of matters as well as the non-matter. As you know that matters are an integral part of our daily life since ancient times, and they play a very important role in the development of different civilizations. Even today, matters are used for various things. And now I will tell you about some commonly used matters in our day-to-day life. The first one is iron. Everybody is aware of the iron. It is used for making cooking vessels, water boilers, stoves, toys, pipes, agricultural implements, chains, wires, nails, boats and electromagnets and so on. Now another is aluminium. Children, aluminium is a very light matter and so it is used for making aircraft bodies, and it is also used for making the cooking utensils. Most of the utensils in your kitchen are of aluminium. Another important use of aluminium is used for making thin foils because it is highly malleable. It can be changed into thin foils and is used for packaging of foodstuffs and medicines. Now, another metal is copper. It is used for making electrical cables and it is used for making cooking vessels also. Copper is highly conductive matter. Now silver, as you already know, is used for making jewelry as well as decorative pieces. Silver is highly malleable. It can be converted into thin foils. You know that on various sweets we apply silver foils which are used as a decorative point of view. Now another important thing about silver is that it is the best conductor, very good conductor of electricity. But even then it is not used for electrical fittings because it is very expensive. We cannot use silver in cables because it is very expensive. Instead we use copper. Silver and gold wires are also used for high precision electrical contacts in computers. So all these are the uses of some common matters. So let us come towards the uses of the non-matters. Non-matters like nitrogen. It is used in the fertilizers, and you know fertilizers are essential for the growth of plants. Now phosphorus, symbol is P, and it is used by matchbox industry in matchboxes and in fertilizer as well. Iodine is used as an antiseptic. Sulfur is used in firecrackers, gunpowder and for making sulfuric acid. And oxygen, everybody knows, it is an essential part, it is a life-giving gas and is essential for the survival of all of us. Now diamond. Diamond, I already told you, is one of the form of carbon, and carbon is a non-metal. It is used for making jewelry and in cutting the glass because it is the hardest substance. So it is used in tools. And graphite. Graphite is also a form of carbon. Since graphite is a very good conductor of electricity, it is used in batteries. And the pencils we use also contains graphite. Hope you have understood all about the chapter matters and non-matters. If you have enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up and pass it on so we can create more like this. Thanks for watching the video.